On the 7th of March 2026, and it's Saturday, and we are going to do backtest review video, old data review, and that. So I completed the backtest task 5 days a week, and today is Saturday, and I'm going to do a review. So let's start the timer, and we'll start from last time. Yesterday I was reviewing also. I think I was here. I don't know. I don't remember that much. Let's start from here. 5th of January 2026, and the date from the 14th of Feb or 2025. Suleiman, let's start it. In some point I will talk about beforehand, and we'll talk about what's going on or what I want like to see. Sometimes I will be silent and just be looking at the charts. Friday, last day of the week, 14th Feb, second week of the month, and it's 8:30 news. Okay, we already touched the C of the weekly week. This higher high took the previous, and which is higher than 2 candles beside it. Okay, and price touched the C of it. Right now it's on the low quarter. I want to see daily chart for more information. It's more like it's right now it can retrace here, and it can go upside into this. This FVG2 here, which I didn't have highlighted. So that's that is the daily chart, and I think I highlighted this week. Upper quarter, we touched the upper quarter and we are going to the upside, and it's looking like more bullish to me, but we already went higher. If we were here, I would be very comfortable taking along, but right now we are at the weekly C, and there are SMT. There are old SMTs, which are taken in the future most of the time. The SMT, that's why I don't remove the SMT line, because in future they help me for the bias or for the targets. Okay, let's see the after chart. We went above. Yeah, we went above. We went into this IFVG. I would say it's some daily IFVG, which I didn't show here. Okay, let's see the price action. I want to see how price treated the upper quarter of it. In this area, I want to see this. I think it was in London session. Would be London session. 4 hours chart before, and gap option went higher. Traces. Let's see. Okay, one single candle which went above, touched the C, and the second one traces to lapse. Let's see if I did. Did I take a trade? Yeah. Okay, I did. It should be more. Should more likely to be a long trade. Okay, and 1 hour chart SMT. There was SMT before. It's the timing right here is 7:45 to 8 a.m. There was news at 8:30. Okay, close traces. Did touch the 3, went higher, touched the C, touched the. And that's it. Okay, more information of 15 minutes. Okay, this is a candle of 8:30 news. Went higher to the C, closed lower, didn't close below the 70. Lower quarter, went above. This is the area. Let's see how it will be the upper part of the weekly. So this is the upper part of the weekly first presented. Okay, first presented was from here, so 9:30 would be here. I think I did take a shot. Okay, the this is the gradients of the daily IOVG, and 2 quarters are mixed with or correlated with each other. Correlated would be the right word. I don't know, but you can see lower quarter of the daily and upper quarter of the weekly. So I want to see how price respected it, and if there was a breaker here, that can be an entry for a short. Okay, or I want to see that information. Okay, touch the body of the first presented. So let's see what did I take. Okay, I did take the short. So let me explain. So this is the 1 minute first presented fair value. We went higher. I look for a trade after the 9:30 opening, and it's GPUSD. Yes, it is GPUSD. So we are not yet come to futures, which I'm right now trading and back testing on. So first presented fair value gap related with 5 minute first presented fair value gap, went higher, didn't touch the C, made the breaker proportional block entry, and we were in premium. This was the area I wanted to see how price treated, how it will done, and as you can see, we break to the downside. This candle, I entered on this candle, this proportional block, which went higher, took the recent one, touched the upper part of the weekly, went lower, and and then we start going lower. Okay, let's see the 5 minute chart. I think that was the time of here. Let's see. No, this is the dream. Again, we went higher by touching. First touch, we touched the upper part of the weekly, went higher. Body went lower. And I'm still not fully recovered from the cold flu. Sorry, excuse. So entry was in the macro. Nice. First day of the week, Monday. No news Monday. And did I trade? Yes, okay. Missed profit. We above the previous month premium week in the half of the. Let's see. Okay, we are above the this week right now at the 3 of it. Let's see on higher time frame. Monthly, the smooth lows can be seen. Here it did on monthly we did take this. We did not take this low. Okay, it's a breaking market structure also. More bearish to me, but still I want to say whole chart a bit more information of it. By seeing only this area, it's more to me bearish on monthly. That's a weekly chart. I highlighted this longest week, recent week, and this FVG. Okay, we went higher, touched the C of the weekly week plus the monthly, and we went lower. And right now we are at the lower of the below the lower of the weekly week plus this FVG. If there's a low entry here, a low breaker plus first presented value gap, I'll be looking for if there's a lower time frame liquidity to be taken, I'll be very comfortable taking a short. Let's see how we did today. And the long scenario, I'll be looking for long only here, but still, it's weekly. Let's see the daily chart. I think there will be more information on daily. No, don't do that. Okay, daily chart, not much. Longest week, last one, single Friday candle, and to see close below. We expected, I think. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry. My mic was off, so I said we went higher. It is. I wasn't expecting this more, but we did, and as we can see on daily chart, we were on a higher time frame, expanding to the upside. So what I did said before that if we went higher, I want to see this area how we treated this upper quarter in this area. Okay, have to be a bit more fast, and by talking about it, it's taking more time than observing it. Okay, why I'm saying okay. On 4 hour chart, still I'm looking the before chart. I'm more bearish. Why? There's no liquidity to be taken on high time frame, like in this area. But we did. I think we went to this area. So still, let's see there's more liquidity to be taken on, which is more likely where we are close, and there was 4 hour S&T smooth lows. So but we did not went lower. Not usual. Okay, we went higher. We went S&T and close above. Expected the low quarter of the weekly, lower quarter of the weekly week, and the FVG treated it as a IFVG in value fair value gap, and we went higher. Okay, consolidation, not a good price action. Okay, there was no news as well. It's Monday, so yeah, it's expected to be in this kind of a price action. Recording is hello, yes. So shitty price action. Okay, I did take the long. It's a risky trade. Not a good trade. To see more. We went above the C of the weekly area, but then break down, took the lows, did not touch the C of the IFVG weekly. Okay. Weekly, which was a sign of bullishness. Now one thing left, which was break, and we expand break, which was break. Okay, and that what breaking market structure, and send break, respect the C of the C of the weekly IFVG, and went above, then traces into the upper quarter, the weekly macro. 930. Acha, what I mean by this is, why did not I take this trade? Like such a breaking market, but here is a more. We went low, smooth lows, we didn't touch the C of it, and above breaking market structure traces and start going over, especially the upper quarter of it, and went higher. And as I said, I want to see how we treated this area. Okay, so we treated this area with traces into it, and we expected it and went start low higher. Went lower, took the recent liquidity, still not this. Weekly opening gap, 16 January, into discount, went higher respect to this. Okay, it's a psychological trade, but not I once considered it as a plus setup. It's kind of risky trade. By seeing this price action, by seeing this high resistance liquidity run, I should be more looking for more confirmation. Okay, not well. Okay. Tuesday, 18th of Feb, and it's why my internet is not Come on. Okay, Tuesday, and it's a lot of news, but at the AM in the morning New Year session, it's only one news, which is CPI, Canadian CPI, not the USD. So it's not a uh, high impact news. Acha. We already went lower S&T, and which was more likely to see it. Okay, we already went lower. So right now we are at the in the news section. We've selected this area, went lower, crashing this area to the upside. Right now we are above this week upper quarter and below this lower quarter. Need more information. It can touch and trace into it, went into this area, then went lower. It can go lower, respected this, went lower, respected this area, then retrace it. There are many probabilities, many situations. So I want more information. I'm not setting a clear bias by only seeing the daily chart. Okay, okay, we touched the upper quarter and we went higher. As I said, it can retrace and touch it and start going to the upside. Let's see. So I don't know what time was here. If the time if the time sported, if the time was with me, if the time was right, like this was after 8:30 and 9:30. I won't say 9:30, but after the news, a good trade can be taken here as a long. But let's see. This is none other than no other trade here. Okay, on 4-hour chart we are breaking this, but we did not. Right? We touched this, and this is the before chart of the 4-hour. Okay, does it make sense? This is the after chart which will be shown right now. Which will be seen. Touched it, traces the upside. Okay, more bearish, but we will trace the upside. A bit challenging price action, let's say. Let's see how we treated the upper quarter. The only trade should be here. If I did took the trade here or between this area, I did the wrong thing. The trade should be like here with the breaker, with the proportional block, with the first trade. I don't care, but I don't know, but should be in this area. Okay, 1-hour chart still clearly bearish, very smooth, very several liquidities to be taken. And lower, touched upper quarter, decent lows taken, raise it to upside. Upper quarter, and I'm very confident that we have went to the downside in the future. Let's see the 15-minute chart. Okay, these are a weekly opening gap also. 2 trade, first loss, then a win. Okay, I want to see the trades. Oh. This would be the 5-minute chart. Let's see. 2 longs. As I said, the trade after this not be a good trade. This was the entry. Should be the entry here. But yeah, we expect upside. I tried to enter here. And with the upper part of the weekly, did not win well, went lower, stuck to the low cut, which is a bullish sign, went higher, 5-minute first reason if you were you have. Okay, I trade. Not that bad. See one thing. Okay, we went higher, then we went lower. Okay, like we touched the upper cut of it, then start going lower. Respect with the first reason if you really gap, and then start and then expand. We expect downside. See the 1-minute chart. I should be entering here, but I think I know I'm seeing the reason. Why did I enter here? Because I missed this. I wanted to see proportional block or wanted to enter here, but as you can see, there was a expanding candle. We expand to upside, don't give an entry, proportional block, but below the a bit late on a risky area. And we went lower, see an upper quarter, and I enter on this breaking market structure. It can be it's okay, but not that good. And we then the first reason if you really gap, 1 minute formed, touch the low quarter, selected it at the peak of it, and expand to the upside. And this is the 5-minute first one. It's logical trade. It's a logical trade, and target was right. I think I don't know it's 2 hour or what, but this was the right thing I did. Okay, one thing I wanted to see how we went lower, but I did not on the 1-minute chart. I did not post it that. Okay, let's see by only on 5-minute chart. I have respected it lower per quarter. Break the downside portion. Okay, yeah, okay. First reason I failed, but a bit late. Okay, nice. It's been 30 minutes. I had only reviewed 3 days, but yeah, this I shouldn't be like quick or should read the price action as it should be. It's Wednesday, and the news is before the opening news for the 10:30 that London session is Trump speaks, which is unusual to me. I don't know why. I may be wrong, but it's more likely to be happening in the PM or in the New York kill zone. Let's see. should I take the trade? Okay, break even trade. I will be a bit quick in this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. And touch the upper quarter, then we expand to upside. Okay. Talking about this. Very unusual, and that's why we expand for downside, because on the higher time frame we are bearish. And like pricing on monthly and on 4 hour, and still it's not bearish till we break this area to upside. Oh, sorry, bearish. Sorry, no, on higher time will be not bullish till we break this area to upside. If we are here, I'm bearish. Okay, so this is the daily chart. On London session, on the news, we went lower respected to this area. I think this time the screenshot of this is after the news, after all the news after 7 a.m. The time is right now here is probably 7:45 or 8 a.m. Okay, so we went lower. Right now we touched the upper quarter of it, and we traced it to the upside above this upper quarter. So still, yes, not one scenario, but on higher time frame we are going to downside, but we did take this liquidity, we did touch the upper quarter, so we can trace. If we treated this area as a as a support, as like the first present fair value will be here, and there will be a smooth breaking market, we can expect that we can go to the low quarter. But if we did went higher before the 9:30 opening, I would like to see this area to be respected, slow quarter area to be respected. To the downside, I'll be looking for shorts. Okay, and the unusual thing would be we expand to the upside and we respected this, then this area can be seen as slow to be looking for long here, but it's low probable, which is more like what is more likely to see is we went lower, we can respect this area. I'll be looking for a short, but okay, more right now. Long story short, if we made a breaker here after the 9:30 opening, I'll be looking for long. I'll be looking for longs. I should be looking for longs. We went lower, so what I want to see is this lower, and I am saying that the trade should be here on this lower, because there's no other than this. On trading on this week lower would be a bit risky, but I can trade that. But yeah, I want to see low time frame. If there would be smooth lows down there, then it's can be a logical trade by taking a short on this week lower quarter. Okay, on 4 hour chart, standing to the downside, went lower, went higher than lower, went higher than lower. 1 hour chart, okay. 15-minute chart, okay. 7:30 a.m. went higher. I'm seeing how this can be short entry here too. This area went higher. C, okay, it's 1-3C, touch the 3C, lower, respect with the low quarter of it, and then it's went to the downside. What the heck? Wrong trade, mate, wrong trade, wrong trade, wrong trade, wrong trade. No reason to long here. Yeah, so as I said, more logically would be this low quarter expected very beautifully. Mission block, lower weekly opening gap, and we went lower. I did take a short again. I think this is also break-even trade. This is also break-even by I did set the stop loss to break-even when we touched the upper quarter, because it's a risky area. Still, shouldn't be looking for a long here. I did trade the long by only seeing that we made a entry. See, okay, but by seeing only this chart, this is okay, it's kind of logical. But by seeing all the high time frame scenarios and smooth lows to the downside, I should be looking for long at least here. And yeah, I get the lesson. Okay, so we made the first present fair value gap here. I didn't highlight the 5-minute. So this one here was the first 1 minute. We'll make the 5-minute here. It was a lot bit late. This is the first present fair value gap, 5-minute. And based into it, logic. Let's see. I want to see this area. Okay, went higher, touch this, break to the downside. This was a beautiful entry for a short. Okay, but I did not take this, but I did take this, and yeah, it was, but still it was a bit late. This was the most logical trade. This is late, and yeah, okay. No, don't trade without breaker or breaking market structure. Okay, so this lost day. If you want to trade on first present fair value gap, then wait for a breaker with it. If there is a situation where breaker may not form, might not form, then wait for it to go above it and create a proportional block. Okay. I get it. I know. I did this mistake. I wrote this. But good reminder. 20th of Feb. Oh, I'm a bit looking low energy because yeah, I'm fasting and yeah, and also I want to be kind of locked in by reading every chart, not like doing this fast and not focusing on why I'm doing this. So yeah, 8:30 news, and it's Thursday. Bullish S&P, USD is strong. Okay, yeah, it went higher. IVG closed. The upside went lower, closed to upside. Okay, open. This is the candle we are going to study. Open, trace a bit. I don't think so. We touched the upper quarter of this week. I don't know why I didn't highlight this. Okay, because we are higher. Okay. Right now we are above this area, touch the upper current facing to the downside. So this area is powerful, and if there's a still we treated this area, we there's a breaker here. First present if we okay, I'll be taking a long here. This is a logical area. The short area, which is will be more comfortable, is it's like low quarter and one liquidity which no I was taken, but yeah, this is the FPG which is respected. So yeah, let's see two areas which I highlighted for both of the scenarios. There's no fixed bias in for me right now. Things let's see. Come on. Okay, we went to the upside. So what I did said, two areas, one area this. See how we treated this, and by seeing a candle, we by seeing this long candle, this area is also what I want to see how we treated this. But I didn't talk about this before because I wasn't expecting it to this about this area. So yeah, okay. And about want to study this area and this area. Okay, let's see. And there are SNTs here, so very confident that we will take this SNT. Just touch, may touch this upper quarter, then start going lower, low quarter, touch the low quarter, do not touch lower. Okay, 4 hour shot. Side. Discount. Wait. 42 minutes I'll be here for like 1 hour. So 80 minutes left. I should be at least 2 days more. Should I think, but yes, I should. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, as I already told that what I want to see, how what areas I want to study. So 8:30 news. After the 8:30 went lower, recent low, CE touched the upper quarter of it, went higher. Let's see. Okay. I think I was talking about this area, right? And the entries on this upper quarter. So this happened before the news. After the news, we went higher, touched the low quarter, went lower, recent low, and see we already took the recent low, the high time frame traces it. So yeah, this was the logical trade, and this was the upper quarter of it. We use this before, and we then after the news took this recent low. First present if you will get 5-minute entered. Okay, 1 minute time frame. Okay, 1 minute time frame. First present if you will get palm, no short, no nothing. Went lower, took this, went higher, went to upside, respected it. I don't know, did I? Okay, I took this wrong. That's why I talked about why look for a breaking market structure. Okay, bilkul, I'm totally right, and I did the wrong thing. I become overconfident on this trade. Seeing this breaking market structure, still I should have waited this for a breaking market structure. That's why I wasn't looking here. That why did I made two paintings, made two these longs positions? So because it was illogical to trade here. The buys were right, but the entry was wrong. Went lower, a perfect logical entry. 1 minute first phase entry fairly get respected, breaking market structure. Then 5 minute to no, it was formed before. No, this was 5 minute was formed here, respected, and we expanded to the upside. Okay, nice. And then entered again. Okay, on this half, stop loss was wrong. Upper quarter bit risky trade, went lower, took this liquidity, touched the upper quarter break, and touch we did and start going to upside. You want to see more information on why did I take this trade? Let's see. Okay, so this is the area, that entry, lower IFVG plus the peak IFVG, which break this area, and we use this upper quarter of that IFVG, daily IFVG. Okay, so wait, and on the 1 hour chart. Okay, went lower, touched the upper quarter, expected to upside. Okay, I'm seeing the logic behind this trade. Stop loss was wrong. It should be at least off this low. Yeah, both this week's not at the price. Okay, so this was the. Let's go into the next one. Friday. Okay, entry at the macro. Nice. Flash me on my day. 9:45 last news. Then it's at 12:30. Let's dive into it. Wait a minute. Let's go. Monthly chart. See the monthly chart. I already know the idea of it. Yeah, that's the. Okay, we have the proper of it. Let's make it. Okay. hit this wick, on this wick, close, wick, touch the C of it, touch the upper quarter of it. Now at the low quarter, intersect this low quarter with any daily. Well, this area is powerful. Upper quarter of the monthly plus lower quarter of the weekly. Let's see the daily chart. Weekly chart, breaking market structure, making the breaking market structure. This is daily week, daily chart, and Thursday went higher. Touch the C, went lower at now at this area. This week could be highlighted also. Okay. Two areas powerful, not right now at one price. Okay, and time frame extend a candle, a proportional block. If we respected this drop side or breaker here, I'll be comfortable taking a long. Okay, and yeah, still need a bit more information. Went lower. Okay, don't know what happened because I think there was a consolidation. I don't know because we were here already here and we went into the C, then went higher. Okay, let's see what happened in the 4 hour chart. Clearly we've seen 50% C, touched the C, didn't even went into the C, 50% of the 4 hour, and then we went to the upside. Okay. I don't know how I did trade here. It's by till now I'm not seeing it as a tradable price action because I don't know how it moved. Like I know how it moved, but what the entry would be here? I want more information. Let's see the lower. Did we consolidate into this area? What we did? Let's see. Yeah. Right. Let's see the. यार क्या है? Okay, lower quarter went lower. This was the 9:45 news. Touched the upper quarter of the monthly, closed lower, went lower. This lower quarter can be a beautiful entry. Smooth lows. At least C should be taken because 1, 2, 3 smooth lows plus the C. Now it's a bit more clear. Let's see. Yeah. If I did a trade, this trade is a beautiful trade. Wait. It's entry on 1 hour or 1 minute, sorry. Wow. So it clearly can be seen that why did I take this trade? Okay. Went high uppercut respect to the downside. Still not confirmed. What should I be looking for? Created this and went higher. This went pretty to the downside. Low quarter plus first present if available plus respected the uppercut to the downside. Smooth lows should not be taken. 1, 2, 3 can be seen on only 1 minute, and we already seen that 1, 2, 3 and this area. This is a smooth low. Wow, nice trade. Flash me. I think I'm going to wrap it up. This should be it. So we still would be like 25 minute long video at least. And the last day was 16th of January. So how many days did we review? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 days. But yes, nice. We reviewed very well. And yeah, 16th of December. That's it, mate, for the day. And actually, still have one thing to do, which is a weekly review video, and probably will do that today, inshallah. That's it. Allah Hafiz. That was the Backtest review video, and yeah, Allah Hafiz.